Understanding Loitering Around, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into English phrases to help you master this beautiful language. Today, we're exploring the phrase, loitering around. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, read in books, or even come across in everyday conversations. So, what does it mean, and how can you use it correctly? Let's find out together. Loitering around refers to the act of staying in a particular area for a prolonged period without any clear purpose or reason. It often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the person is wasting time or potentially engaging in suspicious activity. However, the interpretation can vary based on context. To fully understand loitering around, let's break it down. Loitering. This verb alone means to stand or wait around idly without any apparent purpose. Around. When added to loitering, it emphasizes the act of moving slowly in no particular direction, often in a specific area or place. Combining these, loitering around suggests not just aimless standing but also aimless movement within an area. To help you grasp how to use loitering around, here are a few examples. 1. The security guard asked the group of teenagers loitering around the mall to leave. 2. I spent the afternoon loitering around the park, enjoying the sunny weather. 3. Residents have complained about people loitering around the neighborhood at night. Notice how the context can change the connotation from negative to neutral. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few: hanging around, lingering, dawdling, meandering. Each synonym has its nuances, but they can often be used interchangeably with loitering around. There you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, loitering around. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, context is key when deciding how to interpret and use phrases like this one. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language tips in our upcoming videos.